I know that I say this pretty much every single month, but it's because it's true. I don't know where this year is going. Seriously, we are already in April. What is going on? Anyway, a new month means a new Sophie and Toffee box. So let's get inside. It's your girl Ayesha, and I'm excited and a little bit like, what is going on? Because it seems like literally just the other day that we got the March box, but I haven't even had a chance to get around to making everything from that box just yet. Poor child. Anyway, so I'm excited to see what the theme is for this month's box. I haven't had any spoilers, so that's brilliant. I don't even know what the name of the theme is. I've got no idea at all. I haven't seen anyone else's boxes. I don't know if I'm going to be matching the box today. I have no idea. By the way, I know it's not Easter anymore, but can we please have some appreciation for my teeny tiny little Easter tricky hat that I made? I was out on a picnic with my friend Lucy the other day, and we made these teeny tiny hats. It's so cute. Anyway, I'll do a full fit video for you guys later because you seem to be loving that. Anyway, let's get into the box. If you are new to my channel, by the way, hello and welcome. There's a whole heap of you who've just joined the Shasha squad, and I'm very, very, very happy for you guys to be here with me. I tend to do my unboxings as if, like, you know, it's Christmas basically. I love surprises, so I don't look in. I just dip my hand in, feel around, try to guess what things are, pull them out, and at the very last moment I look. I am that much funny about spoilers. Like, I just don't want any spoilers at all. So if that seems like your kind of bag, then strap in because it's going to be one hell of a ride. What color is the box today? I'm gonna guess. Is it red? It's red! And I'm kind of matching because I've got some red going on here in my jumper. So I'm kind of matching today. I do like the red box. We've been having the red box quite a few times this year. So, woo! By the way, my friend Bunny DIY, shout out to you, girl. She suggested that we do a collaboration on this box. So whatever the theme is, we will both do like a little collaboration video together, you know, big each other up, shout each other out, all that kind of jazz. So yeah, definitely do go ahead and check out her channel. By the way, she makes the most incredible dolls, and I need to do an actual separate video for this, but so I give you guys a sneak peek now. I'll give you a sneak peek. 1 second. I'll get to the box in a minute, I swear, but just 1 second. You need to see this. Okay, a short, brief interlude, right, for some Bunny DIY appreciation. Look at this amazing doll that she made me. I am going to do a separate video for this when I get some time, but look at this doll that she completely took apart and like recustomized for me as a gift. I didn't even know that she was going through all of this trouble. Look at the shoes. Look at the jumpsuit. Look, it's got a little shaker necklace. Let me just focus it. There you go. It's even got a little shaker necklace, purple eyes. Everyone seems to draw me with purple eyes. Fake lashes. Look at my eyeshadow. The girl's got a better weave than me. I mean, come on. And that is not all. She even made a Pusheen onesie to go with it. So when Mini Shasha wants to, oh, there's a hair on there, sorry. When Mini Shasha wants to go to bed, she has a Pusheen onesie. I mean, come on. I mean, isn't this just absolutely everything? Okay, so if this isn't, you know, like if you didn't know who she was before, now I've shown you what she can do. Please go ahead and check out her channel and subscribe to her because she's amazing. Right, back to the box. As per usual, I'll be leaving a discount code in the description box below so that you can go ahead and get your fill of Sophie and Toffee at a discounted rate. Let's put the book down so I don't get any spoilers. Is this another leaflet? What's this? Oh, I'm worried now. I don't want to look at this in case it's something that's gonna show me like what the theme is and stuff. Wait, hang on. No, there's separate pieces of paper. I'm gonna have to look, aren't I? Okay, what is this? Ooh. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so we have an A4 paper with different patterns on it that looks a lot like stained glass. Let's have a look at this one. They look like stained glass windows. I wonder if that's something that we're supposed to maybe trace onto acetate or something, maybe, I don't know. Or could it be like a shrink plastic thing? Like maybe we trace it. That's really puzzled me. What could this be? Oh my goodness, what? Okay. I'm feeling packing peanuts. Okay, if you are new, then you won't know, but I'm a little bit obsessed with packing peanuts. So we will do the packing peanuts throw later on. I'm happy there's packing peanuts. There's packing peanuts. What is this mold? Is this, could it be like a candle holder or something maybe? Ooh, that looks like it could be like a candle holder of sorts. That's pretty nice. That is nice. Okay. What's next? I'm so happy that there's packing peanuts. I've been obsessed with packing peanuts since I ever started opening up these boxes. Right, this is resin. Very teeny tiny bottles of resin. 3D color resin, gold and black. Ooh, didn't we get gold and black resin in the last box, or was it gold and black pigment that we got? Okay, so we've got some 3D resin there. Let's see, what else have we got? Oh yeah, I sing a lot as well. Get used to that. I sing a lot. A lot. Yeah, there's a lot. I'm just a lot. This feels like more resin to me. Ooh, we have three different colors: blue, red, and yellow. Classic colors. So it's I guess that they do that so that you can then mix to create other colors as well. Fabulous. I'm still really puzzled as to what the papers are for. I'm really puzzled. Is this more resin? What is going on? Ooh, purple and pink. Now we're talking, girl. Now we're talking. Okay, so we have purple and, let me just turn it around. We have purple and we have magenta. Is that even focused? It's not focused, is it? I'm sorry. We have magenta and purple. There we go. So that's 5 bottles of this resin, 10 ml for each one. And we've also got 2 bottles of the tiny gold and black 3D resin. Okay. This is a whole heap of resin here. Epoxy resin. This must be about 200 grams. Must be. Yes, it is. 200 grams. Fast curing, easy to use, low fumes. That's what we like. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. This is my favorite. I don't really do the 3-to-1 ratio because it doesn't seem to work for me. I don't know why. But 1-to-1 ratio for me is good. Okay. Mind you, you guys already know me, innit? I'm a little bit impatient. I'm more of a UV resin kind of person. I like to get the job done. But I might use epoxy for this because I am running out of UV resin. What in the world is this? This just feels like a gigantic circle. Am I correct? It is. It's a giant circle. Okay, we have a giant circle. It's a shiny mold though, so that's good. Because we've been getting quite a few matte molds recently. So it's nice that this is actually a nice shiny one. So that's good. So when the epoxy comes out of that, that's going to be gorgeous and probably won't need doming afterwards. Ooh, beautiful. Okay. What are these? These feel like little findings. Chain. I'm feeling chain. Yeah, it feels like chain. Is that what it is? It is. It's gold chain. So we have some gold chain there. Quite thick, actually. I'm baffled as to what the theme is. Absolutely baffled. Okay, I think we have reached the end of the box, which means they could... Oh, no. One more thing. What is that? It's a light. I think... Oh, God. Oh, I don't know now. Maybe you make a little lamp out of it. Hold on. Is it a light? Wait, is that a light? Hold on. What? If it is a light, it's not working. How do I get this to work? It doesn't work.
I can't get the light. Oh. Okay.
I lied. It works. It's yellow. Can you see that? There we go. That was a little bit tricky. It took some pushing to get that. I almost would have said that just doesn't work. So yeah, if it's a little bit stiff, do, you know, go easy on it, but at the same time, give it some elbow grease. Okay, so I think that is everything, which means it's time for one thing and one thing only. In 3, 2, 1. Why do I do this? Packing peanuts. Oh, there was more than that. Yes, there was. Packing peanuts. I don't know why I do this, because I've got to pick it all up. Anyway, I am so intrigued as to what this theme could be. I'm thinking like a stained glass kind of style. I'm thinking like mandala colouring, you know, that sort of thing. You know, you see colouring books of all the like really beautiful mandala designs. I'm thinking that. I'm thinking candlelight. Let me check out the booklet. What did I tell you, girl? Stained glass. You see? You see? I know these things. Okay, so we have a lampshade silicone mould. Oh, hold on. Before I get to that, shout out to November's contest winners. This was for the little fishbowl box that we got. Do you remember that, with the little bottle? That was like the bane of everybody's life and people were struggling with it. But we have some winners. We have Karen Huxley, we have Hello Jackie, and Jen W Arts. I don't know if any of you guys watch my videos, but if you do, congratulations. Whoop whoop. Some beautiful works of art there. Let me just focus that so people can see what you've done. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the fish there sliding into the bottle. And I love that there with the cat and the fish bowl. Really, really nice work. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we have the lampshade mold and we have the resin, 3D resin. Are we supposed to get gold resin as well then? Oh, yes, we are. Okay, okay. 3D resin, red, yellow and blue resin, LED light and the stained glass artworks. Okay, so it says select your design. Select your desired design according to the level of difficulty. Trace out the design using your 3D resin and fill out the spaces using your jewelry resin. Hold on. So when you say to trace out the design, do you mean like literally on the paper? Because surely not. That would just make the paper get all wet. Or do we put like some film over the top of that and trace over that? Because if that's the case, then we probably should have had some film to go over that. But I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna need to watch a video on that because I don't know. I don't know. I either need to watch one of their videos or I need to wait for Sandra Arts to do something. We all just sit waiting patiently for Sandra Arts to show us the way. Premium add-ons are the round silicone mold. It's just a versatile mold to allow you to do a variety of projects. The gold UV resin, the pink and purple UV resin. This is very fast curing, by the way. It cures in like 30 seconds apparently, but I would say to still go ahead and cure it for longer because you want to make sure that it's all tack free. Gold metal chain and the round stained glass artwork stuff. So that would be to go in your round mold. Okie dokie. So I need to watch a video on this because this is different for me. I've never done this, and I also need to make sure that I don't crease that either. Okay, I think that you could make some really, really beautiful things with this. I'm very excited to make the little lampshade. I think that's going to be adorable. So, Bunny, I know that you're watching this. I think we should collaborate on the little lamp pot and make just like a gorgeous little lamp. Something nice and relatively simple. Yeah? Let's keep it simple, yeah? But yeah, let me know what you think about this box. If you think that you can make something really cool with it, if you're going to be, you know, mixing it with other boxes, because don't forget, you don't have to limit yourself to just the stuff that you get in this box. If you've been collecting Sophie and Toffee for quite a while, you're going to have an array of things to use. So like, don't be afraid to like get creative and use stuff from old boxes or whatever to include with this box. Let me know what you'd like to see me make if you've got any ideas, or if you know how to do the whole 3D resin thing. All tips are gratefully received. We are all learning together. And yeah, I'm excited to get going with this. If you're considering signing up to the Sophie and Toffee ELVES box, then definitely do check out my discount code in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video and if you're loving the vibe, then don't forget to just subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.